Hello, I'm Colin from Colin Sash Windows, the first supplier to offer fixed price sash windows for £299, including VAT, for virtually any size. You can buy with confidence from us. In 2019 we sold more than £2.3 million worth of windows, and 40% of our sales are to repeat customers. As we sell our windows nationwide and worldwide, I've made this video to help you choose which of our windows is for you. The frame of these windows is 128mm deep. The sill at the bottom of the frame and is designed to sit on a stone or concrete sill. We also have a bigger sill, 210mm, which protrudes 70mm from the front of the frame if you don't have stone or concrete sills. The flat part of the frame at the sides and the top is 60mm. If you're replacing old timber sliding sash windows, you can fit part of our frame behind the external bricks. When you measure your brick-to-brick opening outside, I normally suggest adding 25mm to each side, and if you have room, 25mm at the top. The window I'm showing in this video is our new mechanically jointed window. The corners have 90-degree butt joins like timber windows. This one is in wood grain white, toughened glass in the bottom sash, and it's A rated with a 1.4 U value as standard. It also has as optional extras run-through horns, satin chrome furniture and a deep bottom rail. Importantly, and our competitors don't offer this, is that the sashes and the frames are strengthened with galvanised steel. All our windows come with high quality Miton Products safety restrictors. This allows the window when it's sliding up just to allow a little bit of ventilation. It's also a safety feature so that children can't fall out of the windows if they're too low. Just push them in like that, and the bottom sash slides all the way to the top. Our windows also tilt in for easy cleaning, which is perfect for inaccessible windows and if they're on the first floor or above. Just pull the two knobs in and you tilt it forward. The same for the top sash, slide it down a bit, pull in the two knobs and tilt that one forward too. Each window comes with a plastic bag attached to it containing some accessories. The lift hooks, which are placed on the bottom of the frame. Depending on the size, there's either one or two. They also come with pole eyes, one or two, depending on the size of the window. They're fitted at the top of the frame like this so that you can easily slide it down. The windows also come with keys. So you close the window like that, lock it, and it's impossible to open. The windows come with sill end caps, which are just pushed on the end of the sills like this. Please check our YouTube channel for our other sliding sash windows, including a longer one where I go into more detail. Just open YouTube and type Colin Sash Windows into the search.